I'm a managing director of Interpore. We are organizing our 11th annual meeting here with about 800 participants. This facility is amazing. It's not only beautiful, but it's perfect, at least for our meeting. It has everything we needed. Huge lecture rooms, plenty of lecture rooms, a foyer that is multifunctional, and we were very happy to have many activities here. The communication with the staff during the last few months has been very good. We could always get the response on time and get the information we needed. We had to work on finances. They were helping and accommodating us. So we are very pleased, and we hope we can come back here maybe some other time. And we definitely recommend it to any other conference organizer.